Welcome to today's section on writing a C++ program. My name is Mahan Girdhar and I am doing my BTech second year in Computer Science and Engineering. Uh, Today program is to implementation of merge sort and quicksort. Okay, now we can go to the program. Merge sort. Hash include IOStream. It is an header file using namespace std. It is a standard library function. Hash include conio.h. It is also a standard library function. I am giving merge with int pointer int with one void, and after that merge sort with an int pointer a, int low, int high. Actually, the merge sort is like doing the mid is equal to low plus high by 2, and merge sort of a of low comma mid and a of mid plus 1 comma high. After this sorting, then it will do the merge of a, low, high and mid. Then after that I am returning the value to the int. Then after that I am giving int star a, int low, int high, int mid. Then int j, I, j, k, c of 50. When I is equal to low, k is equal to low, I am taking initialization, and j is equal to mid plus 1. By using while condition, I am doing while I less than or equal to mid and j less than or equal to high. Then if a of I is less than a of j, then c of k is equal to a of I. Then after that I am implementing the k value and I value. Then otherwise it will go to the c of k is equal to a of j. Then after that implementation. Then after that I less than or equal to mid. Then again implementation. Again incrementing the value. Then after that again j less than or equal to high. Again incrementing the value. C of k is equal to a of a. Then for I is equal to low, I less than or equal to k I plus plus, then a of I is equal to c of I. In main function I am giving a of 20 I comma b of 20. Then after that I am entering the elements by using for loop, and after that merge sorting a of 0 comma 4 and sorting the array. For printing the values I am giving for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, c out a of I. And after that again entering the elements and I am giving for loop and merge sorting b comma 0 comma 4, c out sorted arrays, and for sorted array it will print the so c out b of I, and after that get ch. So now we can see the output of the program. So it is asking enter the elements. So now I am giving 21, 20 and 43 and 56 and 67, like this. So it will do the sorted array and it will print 20, 21, 43, 56 and 67. Like this it will print. So now we can see the quicksort program. Quicksort, I am giving a int part, int low, int mid, int high and int pointer a. After that I am initializing the int variables I, h is equal to high, l is equal to low, p comma t. P is equal to pivot. P is equal to a of low, while low less than high, then while a of 1 less than p, then 1 plus l, I plus plus, l plus plus. So while a of h greater than p, h minus minus. If l low less than high, temp is equal to a of 1, a of l is equal to a of h, and a of h is equal to temp. Else temp is equal to pivot is equal to a of l of l is equal to break. Then it will print the quicksort array. Then now we can see the values output. Now just I am giving enter the number of elements. So now I am giving 4 elements. So again 21, 20, 19, 64, like that. So initial array is 21, 20, 19, 64. It will arrange in ascending order and in sorting, and it will give the output. So thank you.